All right, so it's Sunday the 14th. One last day before the weekend's over for me to finish up all the little things on the Chevelle. I want to get it ready for the dyno on Tuesday. I can't really do much tomorrow because I'm going to be working all day, and the sun just really drains all the energy out of me. I'm just like, oh my gosh, right? So we want to download the tune so I can compare it later on. Whenever we get the new one, I can kind of show you guys what my tune was and what the dyno guys was and all that kind of jazz. I figured that'd be kind of cool for some people. We might make a separate video for that. I want to set the wheel alignment kind of closer. It's obviously off. Ray Charles could see that it's off right now. I want to try to get that closer. Hopefully tomorrow I'll get information about my insurance so I can register the car tomorrow so I can start driving it. Having a high horsepower car, I didn't realize how hard it was to get insurance. I just thought, hey, I'll get Haggerty's or I'll get Grundy's or whatever. And so Haggerty's, honestly, they were a real pain in the butt. They wanted all this documentation. They wanted my high performance driving experience. Like, what is that even? You know what I mean? Like, I guess I should lie like a lot of people do, but I have a moral compass, and I'm not gonna break my moral compass just to get insurance for a car from a company. It's just not gonna happen for me. They punish the people who are honest as opposed to the people who are not honest. I didn't want them to be able to make a claim later on, like, hey, that's a high horsepower car. You lied about that. Whatever. We could anyway. So we got that to do today. I want to do the alignment. I want to try to get some food in me. Of course, I've got to get my coffees because coffees are God's gift to man and woman. Okay. So we're going to try to get all that. Now, I'd like to get some kind of exercise in, try to get some food, all that jizzy jazz. We'll see. It's Sunday morning. Let's see what we can get done. So I got a friend who's always saying you need to make yourself harder to kill. I always thought that meant you need to make yourself fatter so they couldn't stab you. Apparently I got that wrong, so now I'm trying to make myself faster and stronger and leaner so I could be more harder to kill. I don't know, is that a real thing?
There's always something special about making a sandwich and eating it. All right, so we got it pretty much all done. We got the wheel lined up. We got the map downloaded. We fed myself, drank my coffees, and that's a Sunday. Have a great day.